Hi, welcome to the Professor Kev Show. Got my friend Dia with us from Touch of Nature. Good afternoon, my friend. Welcome to the show.
Hi, thank you so much for having me today.
You're welcome. So before we jump in, tell us a little bit about yourself. What should we know about you?
Yeah, so my name is Dia Thirumurugan. I'm a sophomore at Basis Chavano, a rising junior, and I'm really passionate about sustainable entrepreneurship, and that's where Touch of Nature comes into play.
So tell me a little bit more about what you mean by that, sustainability. So tell me some of the things you're doing.
Yeah, so for Touch of Nature, it's basically an idea where we're using biodegradable products and plant-based materials to make jewelry accessories. And that's where sustainability comes in because in the traditional jewelry market and the fashion industry, there are many plastics and metals that are being used, which has a harmful effect on the planet. And to combat that, I'm introducing this idea of bioplastic and just using these products that are helpful to the earth and that can be given back to the earth because they're biodegradable when you use it and when the lifetime is done for that product or whatever you see fit, you can put that back into the earth and then it can degrade and it's compostable as well.
So tell me more about the products. Is that material easy to work with?
Yeah, it's so the products that I made for my prototype, I have my prototype right here. This is one of the prototypes I've made. But the product is it's like cornstarch, glycerin, water, and it's like melting it and then you put it in a mold and then you can use natural coloring. Whether it's like you can use natural food coloring products and it's like powders as well to color your products and then you just shape it and add it to your collection like that. And it's a little hard to work with at first, but it takes some time.
Okay. Now, how about price wise? Is it a lot more expensive to go that route versus maybe a traditional route? Does that impact the price of your product?
Yeah, definitely it's more expensive because again, we're using something to make it more biodegradable, more earth friendly. So the products like that we are specifically using makes the prices higher, so that is gonna increase the price over there.
But I see a market for it. There's just a lot of people who are willing to pay a little bit more for
Yeah.
biodegradable, plain and simple, because
Hmm.
everything you said earlier, they don't want products that and are going to harm the environment when they're done using them. So I clearly see where you're going with it. It makes perfect
Yeah.
sense to me. And I have a lot of people like, yeah, that's the only products I want because they care about the earth and
Yeah.
stuff. It gives them that ability and stuff. So, crystal ball time, my friend. What are you hoping to accomplish in the future with the company?
Yeah, so my short-term goal is to create this small collection of like just product line with expanding to bracelets and necklaces and connecting with local markets to see if I can sell them at farmers markets as well. And I want to expand the type of material I'm using because I know jute and pineapple leather are also very sustainable products. So I want to expand further from just using bioplastics. So there's a variety for possible customers to choose, and it also gives them more options, and that can help them adhere to their style and helps them have like a more of a feel, oh, I'm coming to a company where there are different options and not just one thing.
You made me smile because that's the exact product I would buy at a farmer's market. Plain and simple.
Yeah.
That's good. I like that and stuff. So, what's the best way for people to reach out to you? How can they learn more if they like to find out more about the product and where they can purchase it?
Yeah, of course. So you can reach me on Instagram. My Instagram is dia_thiru. And also, you can contact me. Yeah, you can contact me through there if you want to purchase a product. And I'll be putting out the products on my website soon. And we're gonna start the launch soon.
Awesome. I appreciate you taking a few minutes calling the show. And as always, thanks for being my friend.
Thank you.